Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Unscratched Cooking and More. Today is Holi. Most of them are saying that it is today, some of them are going to celebrate it tomorrow. Here in our society, it's going to be celebrated tomorrow. They have arranged everything for the Holi celebration. Hope all of you will have a colorful and a joyful Holi. Every year during this Holi, I either prepare some dessert or bhujiyas. So this time I've decided that I'm going to make a fusion cake. I'll be making the Thandai cake. So let me show you how I have made that. As I'm making things ready for the cake, I am pouring out a morning cup of tea as well to start off the day. And I'm going to have this with the toast that I had recently bought from Amazon. They all were not broken. I was thinking most of the toast will be broken and I'll be making some muffins out of that, but I'm seeing that no, some were, only a few were broken. So I'm also lining this tin with parchment paper after greasing it with oil. I have the full recipe of this Thandai cake in our video. I'll put the link as well as the I button on top. You can click on that and see the recipe. That is there in full detail with all the measurements. And yes, the measurements are shown in cups. Many of you may not be having measuring scale at home. So I have put all the measurements here in cups, so that it will be easier for you all to do it at home. Whichever cup you all use for measuring one particular item, use that cup itself for all the rest of the items also. So that way it will be easier for you all to take the measurements. Actually, my one cup measures about 250 ml of water. Remember, while making cake batter, don't ever overmix this batter. It's going to become a hard sponge. Keep it light, don't overmix it. I have baked this in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. You can also bake it in a convection mode, and in that case you decrease the temperature to about 160, and the timing will be less compared to that of the oven. And you can also do it in the kadai, like how you all do the other cakes, preheating it for 10 minutes and then baking it. It will also take the same amount of time, or maybe also in the pressure cooker. But remember to remove the whistle and the gasket if you do it in the cooker. Tap it thrice and then put it into the oven to bake. When it's out from the oven, cool it completely, and only after it's completely cooled, you cut it. Otherwise, it will become crumbly mess. And in the evening, we are going to rejoice on our Holi special food. This is the malpua, then kachori, and my husband has brought my favorite rasgulla and the Thandai cake that I have made. I'll put the complete recipe link of this Thandai cake, and you can just click onto the link and try it out. It is a very, very tasty fusion cake. So we are going to start our tea time. So let's begin. You're going to start with malpua. Okay. I think you have to start. You with Thandai cake, Holi special cake. Happy Holi! No response from anybody. Everybody is busy eating.
Happy Holi!
And here comes the tea for all the three of us. What is tea time without a tea? So this is Adi's. This is yours,
less.
Papa.
So less.
So less. No, that is mine. This is yours. So less because I had actually made for the two of us, and then again Papa will also drink, he said. So I distributed 2 cups into 3.
Okay.
So let's start. Let's start.
I've already eaten my cake.
Okay, I'm going to have this Thandai cake now.
Very tasty.
This is really good. I'll have to give this a try.
Wow.
Store it in an airtight container and put it inside the fridge. It's going to stay for up to a week. I made this in an oven. You can make it in the microwave convection mode as well. Just decrease the temperature from 170. In microwave convection, you can decrease it to 160 degree, and the timing will be less. You can do it in a karai or a pressure cooker as well. It's so good. It's so good. You'll have to eat it first and then. Very soft. Yeah, you're right. And rasgulla is my all-time favorite.
You like fish on that. I'll not eat.
I'll finish all the rasgulla.
And get fatter.
I'm fat.
I didn't say so.
I'm moti. Look at my cup. It's so cute. And Adi laughs whenever I tell this. Kachori is good. From where did you buy this? Quality only?
Quality.
Good kachori also. But the malpua that Ma makes, no? They are
That
smaller
is
in size.
different type of malpua. And this is very dry type.
The one which she makes puffs up. It turns out to be like kachori kind of only.
Yes.
Kachori is good.
Have fun with no. Kachori is nice, no? Very tasty.
Yeah.
I don't think I will be able to have dinner.
Mama is not making dinner.
No, that's why you brought so many items, so that dinner we were supposed to make chapati and I was supposed to make chapati and you were supposed to make chicken.
Aloo bhaja.
Is that the reason why you brought so many items so that we don't have to have dinner? I
No,
hope
I will
not.
still make. Na, Papa?
The size of this kachori is very big.
Show here. Hold on.
Nice stuffing.
Oof, oof.
Wow.
So let us continue with this. We will enjoy this meal. No, not meal. Tea time snacks.
Meal only. We are not getting dinner.
No, I will make dinner. Chapati and chicken for dinner. So we'll complete this and then I'll get back. Finally, we have decided that we are just going to have chapati with aloo, bhaja and nothing else, no chicken. We are too full actually. Once again, a very very happy and colorful Holi to all of you. May you all have lovely moments and memories to cherish for a long time. Thank you for staying with us till the end. See you soon again in the next video.